Hi guys, so I got a question here, if there is a way to import the code list, existing code list into Survey Master. So obviously there is. If you go into your project tab and there is the code list, right? Oops, sorry. And you open the code list. Obviously there is, let's say, something which I created when I played with it, right? Like it's just a door code list and whatnot. If you click on the group there on the add, you can see whether you have groups or whatnot, right? And this is the code I have created just for the test here. Now, if you click on the more, there is import from file, so you can have your code list exported in a text file or a CSV. Okay, the way I'm gonna show you is I have received the file from my buddy there. I'm not sure which software he exported it or created it, right? It's in CSV format, so I'm just gonna open it in Excel here so we can see what's inside. So we got a name, description, and type. Now, where name, description, and type? So where is this wrong is that the Survey Master, as any other software, everything needs to be in certain order, right? And the way what you want to do is kind of insert another line here and take your type, move it to the front, then type, name, and description. And I believe, let me just check, I don't think they call it name, but they call it let's see, code. So I'm gonna change this to code. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but now I have type, code, and description. And also then you can do the group, you can do, okay, so the next one what I'm gonna create is group, and I'm gonna call it test import, and I'm just gonna drag it through the whole thing because that's gonna be my group. Then you can have color, style, and size, right? So depends on whatever. So you can still add a few more the attributes to it, right? So let's see. Now I'm gonna go file, and I'm gonna go save, right? Save, and let's just make sure it's saved the proper way. So I'm just gonna open it in like a notepad, and now I have type, code, description, group, right? So okay, so now when we transfer the file into downloads folder into my controller R60, we're gonna come and take it and import it, right? So the icon you want to click is the code list, as usual. As you can see, we don't have any codes there. Everything is default, right? You can add the code one by one, which is not economical, or you can hit the three dots at the top, and you can hit import from file. It will give you an option of a TXT file or CSV, so we're gonna choose CSV, and then we're gonna click on the file. As I told you, I put it in my downloads folder, so here we go. It's the first one on the top. We're gonna hit OK, and once you see file CSV, let's hit OK. It's asking us that there is an existing code. Reason, I don't know. Let's go with 111. So we just renamed one code. It pops up, the original data will be cleared before importing data. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. So, and apply succeed. Now we still don't see any code, but we are in a default code group, right? There is nothing in there. I never added anything. So we're gonna pull down the menu, and as you can see, it's our test import, which I added that one column there. Now when I click on the text import, I see all the columns, all the codes there, right? So obviously they are all by default color, default size, and everything. If you want to change that, you either do it in a CSV or you're gonna change it here by, you know, putting it different color. There is an option of putting some GIS attributes if you want to, and that's it, right? So, oh, I never confirm it, so it stays like that. When we go to our survey and topo survey, as you can see under the codes, we got all the codes now, right? So we didn't have to type them one by one. You can always also go into your settings, which is the wheel at the top, and apply the quick code. You can have up to 20 pages of your quick codes, right? So we're gonna just leave it at 2, and as you can see, there is 2 pages, right? And I took the liberty, if you long press and hold, you know, you can hit and add those codes there, right? So you test import and okay, and you can add those, right? And you can have up to 20 pages of quick codes depending what you are using. You can always, you know, if it's the one here and there, you can just find it that way. So hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.